forth. You don't even need gloves. It's so nice and clean. But I brought the gloves and plenty of sacks. My own Boontog fellow Eco Warriors. So what group are you guys with? Multi-purpose cooperative. Okay. Would you like some gloves?
Yes, sir.
Just be sure and put them back up on top here so I can get them.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, one glove only because we got more people coming. Safety first. Then I got extra sacks too. While we're waiting for the Coast Guard, Commander Gringo to come, then we'll get organized. Okay, sacks, gloves. We're just waiting for the Coast Guard to come now. We got to go about another 100 meters down that way, just before the seawall. It is a big mess. Just on the other side of these rocks over here, another big mess.
Sir. You're the one who's, sir, you invited Mr. Ian?
Yes.
Okay. So can I get your name, sir?
Richard.
Richard.
Mabuhay.
Napakarong time.
How are you?
A little bit kapoy. It's been a long week. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, there he is. That's the man I need to talk to. My own Boontog Commander. Good job right up to here. We got caretakers that take care of all this. So the trash is going to start from here on down. I got plenty of sacks and some gloves too.
Would you mind, sir?
Yes.
Thank you.
Here, you can carry it back.
Thank you for having here again, sir.
Hello.
Morning.
You look familiar. Howdy.
Are you Richard na?
Yes.
It's me, Jojo. Bantay dagat.
Oh, okay. You're the head of the guys.
Yes.
Okay. Let me get you here too.
Can you please return your dog?
Yeah. Gloves. That's your group? Okay.
Banyan.
Hi.
That's our t-shirt.